If I was describing this experience to friends, I would say that it's definitely a life-changing experience. It's something that I'm always going to look back on and be really happy that I did. It's definitely made me grow as a person, which I didn't expect so much, but moving across the world and working and living in a new culture really does bring you out of your shell, and it teaches you quite a lot about yourself.
Outside the internship as well, you can explore the city. It's an incredible time. Hanging out with the other interns as well as local friends that you'll make here, it's incredible. And then the intern group also offers several events. The most important thing I've learned from my international internship would have to be the way the people here have really helped me to grow and develop into the person that I wanted to be, with the mindset that I can go after my dreams.
What I loved about the internship was that there wasn't a typical day. Every single day was different. I was constantly out of the office, constantly doing different things, meeting a lot of people.
My advice would be take advantage of the opportunities that the intern group makes available to you. There's a lot of interesting events and classes and workshops. There's a lot of opportunities to do cool skill development and networking, and take advantage of them.
Finding the intern group was able to give me the chance to finally travel abroad and actually get the chance to work abroad, which is a very, very rare thing to do, especially at my age.
One of the most important things I think I've learned here is getting out of my comfort zone in a way which I have to communicate with people from different companies who don't speak the same language as I do. And then I not only have to communicate with them, I have to get a point through to them and work alongside them.
I would definitely recommend the Intern Group because it's such a fantastic program. They organise your internship placement, your accommodation, so you don't have to worry about anything when you get here. It's all set up for you. They're really nurturing. We have 24/7 contact with the team, and if you need anything at all, they always reply really quickly, and you feel really looked after, and it's not so daunting being in such an unfamiliar place.